It's the YOGI MD Toolbox.
YOGI Toolbox. YOGI MD 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 Toolbox.
Hi, it's Nadine, and welcome to another episode of the YOGI MD Toolbox, where I make yoga a simple part of your routine at home every day. This is another video where I'm helping you use the yoga block to stretch. So this one is going to be using the narrow yoga block so that we can stretch and open up the chest. This helps to counteract too much forward fold sitting in chairs, and it helps you to get better breathing. So you can take the yoga block, and maybe you'll need a pillow for under your head, or you can use 2 yoga blocks for this application if it's uncomfortable. You're going to take the yoga block the long way and place it between your shoulder blades. So you'll lie down. And I'm going to roll over to show you. Place it the narrow way underneath the shoulder blades. And let your chest open up. Palms facing the ceiling, legs relaxed, toes rolled away from one another. If this bothers your head and neck, this is where a second yoga block can come in handy for underneath your head. And you can lie here and breathe and let your chest stretch for as long as you need. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video.
YOGI MD Toolbox. 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 YOGI MD Toolbox.
It's the YOGI MD Toolbox.